We are back. We are on the clock. Another Saturday, another box. That was the weirdest, almost Dr. Seuss rhyme I've ever had in my life. Hopefully, you know what we're looking for. We're looking for those dual autos. We're looking for trio autos. Anything big, any true 101s, anything will be appreciated. We're not even going to waste any time. We're going to get right to this. We got 5 cards. Everybody knows the rules. Alright. Number 1. We got 5 of 15. Jackson Dart. On the white and orange. Alright. Number 2. 2 of 5. Cam Ward. Ooh, look at that aquamarine in the back. Okay. Good names, good names. Let's get us a dual auto at least. I've never pulled a dual auto in my life. 101, Dylan Gabriel. Quite a few of that man. Record? Nice! That's staying in my personal collection as an Eagles fan. That's going to be my personal. Alright. Okay, maybe not. No, come on. Come on. Eli Manning, 10 of 15. So, quick recap. We got the Eli Manning, 10 of 15. We got the Jackson Dart, 5 of 15. Our Cam Ward, 2 of 5. Always good to get him. We got a Dylan Gabriel 101. And then I have a PC Kyle McCord 101. You know what? Let's open a second box. Let's get right into it. Number 1. 4 of 8. Will Howard on the purple and white. Jeez, I'm knocking everything off. Alright, number 2. Come on, something nice. 8 of 25, Cam Ward. Okay. Again, always good to get the number 1 draft pick. Alright. Oh, Dylan. 101. The purple and white. Nice, though. Dylan Gabriel. 2 of 5. Peyton Manning, 2 of 5. Come on, dual auto. Stop hiding from me. Nope, not here. 17 of 20. Jared Goff on the rainbow. Damn, man. Come on. Wild card. Can I please just live my life and get 1 dual auto once? As always, guys, I appreciate y'all. Stay blessed.